Hey everyone, today I'm making the easiest gooey chocolate chip cookies you'll ever try. They're ready in just 15 minutes. There's absolutely no chill time. Let's get baking. Every great cookie starts with butter. I'm pouring warm, melted butter into the bowl because it gives these cookies an incredibly rich flavor and a wonderfully soft texture. Next comes brown sugar and white sugar. Brown sugar. Brown sugar adds moisture and that delicious caramel flavor, while white sugar helps create lightly crisp edges. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. This mixture is the secret to cookies that stay soft and chewy from the very first bite. Now I'll add 1 fresh egg and a splash of pure vanilla extract. The egg gives the cookies structure, and the vanilla brings that classic bakery aroma everyone loves. Time for the dry ingredients. Flour builds the dough, baking soda helps the cookies rise perfectly, and just a pinch of salt balances all the sweetness. Now for the best part, lots of rich chocolate chips. Don't be shy here. The more chocolate, the more gooey and irresistible every cookie becomes. Fold everything together gently until the chocolate chips are evenly mixed throughout the dough. Look how thick, soft, and delicious this cookie dough is already. I'm scooping generous portions onto the baking tray. Leaving space between each cookie lets them spread into perfectly round bakery-style cookies. I always press a few extra chocolate chips on top. This simple trick makes the cookies look beautiful and gives every bite even more melted chocolate. Straight into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Since there's no chill time, these cookies go from bowl to oven in just a few minutes. Watch them bake! The edges turn golden while the centers stay soft and gooey. The amazing smell of butter, vanilla, and warm chocolate fills the entire kitchen.
They're done! Fresh from the oven, these cookies are golden brown with soft centers and perfectly melted chocolate. Let them cool for just a couple of minutes.
Now let's break one open. Look at that incredible chocolate stretch. The outside is lightly crisp, unbelievably gooey. Every bite melts in your mouth with rich chocolate flavor. These 15-minute cookies taste like a premium bakery. Crispy edges, soft in the center, melted chocolate. If you enjoyed this recipe, and tell me, would you eat these with a glass of milk? See you in the next recipe.